Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Blackview W50 Pro smartwatch. Hopefully this video will give you all the details you need to decide whether this watch is right for you. I'll leave a link to the watch in the description below. Inside the box you'll find the watch, a USB charging cable, a quick start guide and an additional strap. Now let's take a closer look at the watch itself. It is a great watch for men. It also feels very durable. It can operate in temperatures ranging from -30 to 70 degrees Celsius. It has two buttons on the right side and one on the left. It's also equipped with an LED light on the right side, which I'll test later in the video. The watch is IP68 waterproof, making it suitable for rain and everyday splashes. This watch also includes a compass for navigation, as well as a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to make phone calls by connecting the watch to your phone via Bluetooth. It has a built-in 960 mAh battery, which can provide up to 30 days of battery life in smart mode. Once you receive the watch, you'll need to set it up using the DA Fit app on your phone. I've already paired this watch, so now let's explore its features. To turn on the screen, press the power button. From here, you can swipe up, down, left or right to navigate through the menus. You can also press and hold the home screen to change the watch face. From the home screen, pressing the power button again will open the full app menu. First you have Activity. This displays your step count, calories burnt, activity duration and other stats. Next you have Sleep Statistics, heart rate monitoring, phone calls, allowing you to make and answer calls through Bluetooth. Exercise tracking has over 150 activities to choose from, including walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, among others. Next you have exercise records, blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring, weather information, messages, which lets you view notifications from your phone on the watch, camera shutter control for your phone, music player controls, relaxation exercises, timer, alarm, and stopwatch functions. Cycle tracking is configured through the app. After that, you have bright flashlight with two modes. Next, you have Find Phone, Calculator, Games with two built-in games, and finally a compass, which is a really useful feature for camping or exploring outdoors. Now let's explore some of the features of the app. The homepage of the app displays your step count, sleep status, heart rate monitor, exercise records, oxygen level, stress statistics, weight, and drinking records. On the next page, you will find a range of fitness programs and meditation training sessions that you can download and follow. The workout section allows you to start activities such as running, walking, and cycling. It also enables you to track your route. Next, you can browse and select different watch faces to use. You can even choose a picture from your phone to use as your watch face. Notifications allow you to control which apps can send notifications to your watch. Tap on Other to adjust display settings such as time format, unit system, and language. Under Health, you can enable or disable stress monitoring, movement reminders, heart rate monitoring, and other reminders. Finally, on the last page, you can adjust your profile, set a step goal, and connect your watch to Google Fit or Strava. That should cover most of the main features of the watch and on the app. Overall, the Blackview W50 Pro smartwatch offers a solid range of features for the price. It feels durable, has excellent battery life, and includes plenty of useful tools for fitness, everyday use, and outdoor activities. If you're looking for a rugged smartwatch with long battery life and lots of features without spending a fortune, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more information on the watch.